Want glowing skin without spending a fortune? This budget-friendly DIY mask could be your new favorite beauty secret. Here's what you need. Tablespoon of rice flour. Gently exfoliate dry skin and help improve the appearance of dull skin. Tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Provide soothing, hydration, and leave the skin feeling refreshed and calm. Mix until you get a smooth, creamy paste. The texture should be soft and easy to spread on the skin. Apply an even layer onto clean skin. Massage gently in circular motion for a few seconds to help remove surface, build up, and leave your skin feeling smoother. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. DIY glow mask help refresh tired-looking skin. Leave its skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Who knew only 2 ingredients could make your skin look this fresh and radiant? Always patch test first before trying DIY skincare treatments, especially if you have sensitive skin.